everyone out there, my name is Maria and I'm here with Govcon Giants. Today, I want to take you inside our latest and greatest program, Academy 3.0. Today, I want to show you exactly what's inside of Academy 3.0. And I want to do this because I want you to see how great it is. I want you to see how much information's inside. And all of this is going to save you so much time and money. Because why? Because it is 15 years of experience all put into one program from start to finish. So if you want to be a government contractor, if you want to be a consultant, if you want that six-figure job that has to do with government contracting, this is the place that you're going to learn from beginning to end. Everything and all those details. But I wanted to show you today just an overview of the program and what's inside. So let's go inside and let's take a look. So here we are inside our course, and I want to first for you to see how much information is in here. I want you to see what does it look like? What am I going to expect? So this is our course, and everywhere you go, you're going to see that there's 3 places that you're going to visit. There are 3 places that we separated those paths into are 1, foundation, marketing, and bidding. So let's start. This is your home page. Inside your home page, you're going to see here, start my learning, show me around. Up here, you're going to see the foundation, marketing, and bidding. Our live Q&As, which is every single Tuesday we meet. We have general Q&As. We have speakers coming on. We have learning sessions. All of that is inside here. We have a whole load of resources that are available to you. But we're going to take a look. But right now, let's focus on everything that's in here. So we want to take a deep dive into it. And we're going to do that in later tutorials. We're going to go into foundation, see what's inside. Go into marketing, see what's that all about. And of course, our bidding process. But today, I just want you to see the big picture. And the big picture, we want you to start in one specific place. And that is the boot camp. Right up here, you're going to see our boot camp. And our boot camp was a 5-day training session straight with Eric. He met with the group every single Friday, and this is not, we're going to meet for an hour. This is like 4 hours, 6-hour day-long sessions that they had. And this is what is great about boot camp. It shows you everything from start to finish. It is that high-level overview of the whole entire process. And that's going to give you an idea of what you need. What is this all about before you get into the nitty-gritty of things inside each section. So let's take a quick view inside bootcamp. And as you see, you have the whole recording. And I told you it's 4 hours long. Then it's divided by days. You have all 5 days. And if you click on each day, you're going to see that they have lessons, you have the slides, and you have homework. So let's go back and let's go into foundation real quick just to see, for you to see how much is in there. And when you click on those sections, you're going to see there's lessons. There's lessons to each one. This one is 7. This one is 12 lessons long. So you're going to have a lot of information to go through. Another thing I want to show you is if you see this little square right here, it's going to expand your screen. And why would you want to expand your screen? Well, easy, because we want you to be able to focus on the learning. We need you to focus on the whole program. So let's go back again to our other lessons. So every time you finish, you're going to go complete and continue, and it's going to take you automatically to the last lesson. Let's go back to the beginning, and right here, resume my learning, you're going to be able to pick up right where you left off. So there is no thought process of like, oh, where was I last time? The other thing, so that is foundation, then you have marketing. There you go. You have bidding. Here you're going to see live Q&As. Like I told you, our live Q&As are not only this year. They go all the way back to 2018, 2019. So you have 2018, 19, 20, 21, and now 22. That's 5 years. 5 years of questions, 5 years of networking, 5 years of learning, all in this space. And if we go into 2022, we have all those Q&A sessions from this past year, but we've also started with our Speaker Tuesday. Every Tuesday, a speaker comes in that's an expert in their field, and they're giving you all this information, all this knowledge, and it's all free just because you're part of Academy 3.0. So that is our live Q&As. And like I told you, the resources. Getting into government contracting could be so overwhelming, but we're giving you our resources. And these are not like Google documents that you find anywhere. These are actual proposals, templates, estimating sheets, Davis-Bacon Act, all things that we've used ourselves to, one, win those contracts, two, negotiate, estimate, everything is real things. Real phone calls, real scripts, everything in real life. These are not just made up for you. These are not scripts. These are not things. As you see, hazard waste management plan. That alone costs like $2,000. So think about all the money that in just this one section that you are receiving. Capability statement samples. We have tax exemption receipts. What did that look like? We have bid forms. Here are all those standard forms that people like look at them and they're so confused. And I know it could be overwhelming, but that's why we put them here. Just because there's so many resources, safety plans. And one of the biggest things I want you to look at is our action plan. Our action plan is how you're going to set up everything. That way you are having organized of where am I going to start? What am I supposed to do the first 30 days? And then let's go on to that 90-day plan, and then 180-day plan, and 360. We want you to be as successful as possibly you can. The time, the patience, the learning, everything you're going to put into this is what you're going to get in return. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And trust me, I'm telling you from personal experience, but all of this is amazing. This program is full of lessons, full of knowledge, full of resources. And I wanted you to just go into the program and see what we are talking about. Because when people hear a course, this is not a course. This is a whole lot more than just a course. And that's why I keep saying it's an Academy 3.0. It's a program, because not only you get everything that's inside here, but you also get to meet with us every Tuesday. We have office hours. So I just wanted to show you around what we all are raving about, what we all talk about. When you hear it's in the course, because definitely if it's in the course, if it's something you're going through, something you're questioning, it's in the course. And if it's not, trust me, we'll find it, we'll get it, and we'll put it in the course. Because your success is what we want. We want you to be successful. We want you to have all the tools necessary in order for you to grow, to learn, to monetize, to do everything that it takes to be successful. So there you go, Academy 3.0.